Here's our off insurance time lapse from Tupelo today. Clouds moving on through. We've had some rain showers around the region today. Temperatures were a little bit cooler earlier today. Now we've actually moderated a little bit. Now as we get into the end of the weekend, Sunday evening, Sunday night, there's a chance for some strong storms, maybe a complex of storms that will move across the region. So that would be storm complex number one. Number two could actually be Monday afternoon across eastern Mississippi and Alabama. So we have two potential rounds of strong to severe storms, all because of that energy way out there in California. It's a long ways away from us right now, but we're watching out for that because that could give us some of those storms later this week. Now, we've actually moderated the warmest temperature of the day right now in Columbus, 61 degrees, 60 in Tupelo. We still have a warm, moist southerly breeze at about 10 to 15 miles per hour across the Twin States tonight. So we will stay mild. Temperatures basically holding steady all night long. And in Tupelo, it looks like we're going to be back into the 70s by noon and around 80 in the afternoon. And that's a pretty good proxy for a good chunk of our region tomorrow, upper 70s to low 80s around here. We will push those rain chances farther to the south, closer to the Gulf Coast. Now, here's Futurecast tomorrow morning. When you wake up, we will likely see an extensive cloud cover around here. So don't be alarmed that your Saturday is going to be a complete disaster. I think by noon and early afternoon at the latest, we'll see some nice breaks develop in those low clouds. And then rain chances return by Sunday afternoon, and then Sunday evening we'll have an opportunity for some stronger storms as this warm front boundary lifts back to the north. We tend to see complexes of storms develop along warm fronts, and some of those could be on the stronger side. As we get into Monday afternoon, we may see some additional storms fire up right along that cold front right there. And those would be potentially a little bit stronger, a little bit more robust if they do happen to develop. So we'll just wait and see how this all plays out. On the backside of all of this, we'll have some cooler air sweep on back in here for the middle of next week. Ironically, just in time for the start of spring on Tuesday, we fall back into the 50s, lows getting back down into the 30s, maybe another chance for a frost or freeze by midweek. But this weekend we are warm, around 80 on Saturday, 75 Sunday, better rain chances by the afternoon. Strong storms possible on Monday, still very, very warm. So there's your 7-day forecast, a bit of a roller coaster ride.